Hello guys, welcome once again to Sapima tutorial. In our lesson today, we are asked to solve the algebraic equation using completing square method. So obviously, this is going to be a quadratic equation. So let's simplify the fraction first. We have x minus 2 over 4 to be equal to x plus 2 over 2x. We cross and multiply in order to eliminate the fraction. So 2x multiplies here to give us 2x into x minus 2. 4 multiplies here, so we'll have 4 multiplying x plus 2. Let's operate. 2x times x gives us 2x squared. 2x times negative 2 it gives us minus 4x. Over here, 4 times x, this gives us 4x. 4 times 2 would give us 8. Let's bring all to the left hand side. So I have 2x squared minus 4x minus 4x minus 8 equals 0. 4x and 8x I've taken to the right hand side. Then add these like terms, negative 4x minus 4x. So we have 2x squared minus 8x minus 8 equals 0. So we are asked to solve using completing square method. So the first thing I'll do is to divide through by coefficient of x squared, which is 2. So 2, we take care of 2. We have x squared minus 4x minus 4 equals 0. Take the constant to the right hand side. That means I have x squared minus 4x equals 4. The next thing we are going to do is to take the coefficient of x, which is negative 4, find what the half of it is. That is multiplying by 1 over 2. This will give us negative 2. Then square this number. That would give us 4. Add it to the both sides of the equation. Okay, so at this point, what to do is to take the coefficient of x, get the half, square it, and add to the both sides. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 4 plus 4. Then factorize the left hand side. To factorize, this is perfect square. Therefore, the factorization would be x minus 2 raised to the power of 2 equals, for this place we add, I would have 8. To simplify, take the square root of the both sides of the equation to eliminate the power. So I'll take the square root, we introduce plus or minus, okay? So the square would be cancelled by the square root. I have x minus 2 equals the square root of 8 plus or minus. Next, we simplify root 8 and take negative 2 to the right hand side. That means we are going to have x to be equal to 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 2. Square root of 8 would give us this. So x is going to be either 2 plus 2 square root of 2 or 2 minus 2 square root of 2. This is the solution. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, share to your friends, and follow for more interesting tutorials. Bye.